Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get DramaBox gift codes. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up Google and search for DramaBox gift codes. Over here, you will see a lot of articles and videos suggesting DramaBox gift codes. After that, you can check posts from Facebook. For example, there is a post from DramaBox itself with the gift code love0919. You can also claim it by clicking on the provided link. Then go ahead and look up DramaBox Mov and Dramas. Over here, you will be landed on the exact page where you need to follow them. After that, you will see some promo codes or gift codes available. Over on Instagram, DramaBox also posts regularly. For example, there is a gift code Grace0815 along with the link provided. So that's basically how you can get DramaBox gift codes. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.